Thinking about joining the chlorophyll craze? Let's dive in and separate fact from fiction to find out if those little green drops are truly worth the hype or just another wellness fad. First, let's understand what chlorophyll actually is. It's the green pigment in plants that allows them to absorb energy from sunlight through photosynthesis. You're basically drinking plant blood. Now, chlorophyll supplements claim to offer benefits ranging from clearer skin to detoxification. The supposed detoxification benefits are often linked to chlorophyll's potential to bind to toxins and help eliminate them from the body. However, the scientific evidence supporting this in humans is limited and largely based on animal studies. Chlorophyll does have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which could contribute to overall health and potentially aid in wound healing, as some studies suggest. But these benefits can also be obtained from a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Now, let's talk safety. Chlorophyll supplements are generally considered safe for most people when taken as directed. However, potential side effects include digestive upset and increased sensitivity to sunlight. Always read the label for proper dosage, and consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. The bottom line, chlorophyll drops might offer some minor benefits, but they're likely not a miracle cure. You can get many of the same benefits from eating a colorful, plant-based diet. Ultimately, whether chlorophyll drops are worth it depends on your individual needs and expectations. Do your research, listen to your body, and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.